Want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum but not sure where to start? Good news, it's easier than ever. Let's walk through how it works. Step 1. Choose an exchange. Popular centralized exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. They're beginner-friendly, secure, and allow you to buy crypto using your bank account, credit card, or debit card. You'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and add a payment method. Once that's done, you can buy crypto just like you'd shop online. Step 2. Choose your coin. Bitcoin is the most widely used and accepted cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the foundation for smart contracts and decentralized apps. You can buy a whole coin or just a fraction of one, so don't worry about affording a full Bitcoin. Step 3. Place your order. You can use a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy when the price drops to your target. Step 4. Decide where to store it. You can leave your crypto on the exchange, but for more security, consider moving it to a private wallet, like a hardware wallet or a mobile app with your own keys. Bonus tip: always double-check the address before sending crypto anywhere. Transactions are permanent, and mistakes can't be reversed. Want a step-by-step walkthrough of the safest and smartest way to buy crypto? Visit the blog version of this video at crypto101.com. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.